Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is February the 5th and the chart of the day is Australian dollar US dollar. Okay, it's a 60 minutes time frame. Now we can see right here, I will explain the main view, what will be the alternate view, as well as the right direction, or what we call the right side of the market. Okay, so you can see right here, we finished with 2 here at 0.666, and then the pair continues to rally higher in an impulsive structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending with 3 in the minute degree, and then with 4 ended here at the blue box area, what we call high frequency area, right? So we can see in the subdivision here, looks overlapping and corrective, which is characteristic of a corrective structure, right? Overlapping and 3 swings, bounce, 3 swings, bounce. Now this is based on this one, right? The WXY7 swing here, bouncing where it was supposed to bounce, suggesting that the right side is bullish, because the last pullback was looking corrective here, right? So now, as long as we stay above this previous low here, we could see more upside. But the thing about this count here is that this still needs confirmation by breaking above 3. Otherwise, we can do what we call even a bigger, more complex correction. From the peak here, we can do this WXY like this. So unless we can break above this previous peak, the alternate view is that we are going to be doing a bigger double correction from the peak here, and then we can go to the next support zone. In case it breaks down, this will be in the next support zone, 68.60, 67.50. Doesn't change the bullish bias, we still like it higher. So the invalidation level is this one. As long as this level is safe, then we like it higher, right? We like it higher. Now we can go higher from where we are, more or less, or we can do double into this area before we turn higher. So if I zoom out, giving you a context of the higher degree time frame, looking at the weekly time frame, here we go from the low here. So currently we are this 2, 3, and 4 here. It's not even shown on the weekly time frame, right? It's too short term, but basically this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what the 3, 4 that we see in the 1 hour time frame here. Now, but I'm going to be focusing on the sequence here on the weekly time frame. If you look at the low here back in April, right? So you can consider this to be some sort of 5 waves if you like, okay? And then you have a correction, and then this one so far is only 3 waves so far. So that means it is missing another leg up, and therefore we do like more upside. And not only that, if you just simply do the extension of this, we have not even reached the 100% extension, which is 72. So this will be what I think is the minimum target here for the move up. So Australian dollars is going to continue to be supported and rally to at least the 0.721. Okay, and in the meantime, in the shorter cycle, we could either rally from around this area, or we can do a double, which will find support from the area I showed you before for the next leg up. Okay, so that's the idea here, guys, from the Australian dollars from the chart of the day today. And as always, if you like to get more updates or learn more about Elliott Wave, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and you can find it in the link in the description. All right, so see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.